Here's how to make these beautiful candles using our romantic fragrant oil, some soya wax, candle wicks and wick holders, any candle coloring of your choice, paddle pop sticks to hold the wick, a spatula to stir, and 2 candle jars. Add your wax to a beaker and place them on a hot plate. If you do not have a hot plate, then a double boiler method works fine. As we wait, here's a little trick to place the wick inside. Just thread it carefully through the wick holder and use a bit of the soft wax, just like glue. Once completely melted, add 40 milliliters of the romantic fragrant oil and a tablespoon of our candle and soap coloring. Once that's blended, get your candle set up as shown and pour the hot wax carefully. Let your candle cure for 3 to 5 days to ensure that the fragrance is locked in. And enjoy. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe if you want to see more DIY content just like this.